Father, please forgive us, 'cause we know just what we've done. As we dance around the tombstone and we crash into the sun, as the fires rise around us and we bear our crown of thorns, we can finally rest in pieces in the